Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how Microsoft Word is useful to us. So Microsoft Word is a powerful word processor that can help you to create professional documents. It offers wide range of features such as formatting tools, templates for the documents, and the collaboration capabilities also. So, navigating the word interface. So, let's start with the first one, ribbon. એમાં ribbon જે કમાન્ડ હોય છે ત્યાં ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ ટૂલ્સ ને કમાન્ડ્સ જે છે અવેલેબલ હોય છે. આપણે જ્યારે ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેશન સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું ત્યારે હું તમને બતાવીશ. નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ ધ ક્વિક એક્સેસ ટૂલ બાર. એનો શું યુઝ છે? શું છે એનો યુઝ? ક્વિક એક્સેસ આપે છે, અમુક કોમન કમાન્ડ્સ જે છે આપણે જે યુઝ કરવા માંગીએ છીએ. નેક્સ્ટ જે છે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ વિન્ડો. ત્યાં તમને એડિટ, ફોર્મેટિંગ કરવું હોય, ટાઈપ કરવું હોય, એના રિલેટેડ જેટલા ફંક્શન્સ જે છે એ તમને આ જગ્યાએ વર્ડ ઇન્ટરફેસની અંદર જરૂર પડશે. નેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ હાઉ ટુ ક્રિએટ a ન્યૂ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ. ઓકે, હાઉ ટુ ક્રિએટ a ન્યૂ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ. સો જસ્ટ તમારે શું કરવાનું છે, તમે જે વર્ઝન જે યુઝ કરતા હોય ઓએસનું, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ વિન્ડોઝ 7 હોઈ શકે, 10 હોઈ શકે, ઓર તમે મેક યુઝ કરતા હોય તો મેક. You can start creating a new document just by opening a program Microsoft Word. Just by opening the program Microsoft Word. એની અંદર જઈ સિમ્પલી ક્રિએટિંગ a ન્યૂ ડોક્યુમેન્ટની અંદર ફાઇલ મેનુ આવશે. એ ફાઇલ મેનુની અંદર એક ન્યૂ બ્લેન્ક ડોક્યુમેન્ટ જે છે એ તમારે ક્લિક કરવાનું હશે. ઓકે, પછી ટેમ્પલેટ્સ જે છે અમુક ઓનલાઈન અવેલેબલ છે, તમે એનો પણ યુઝ કરી શકો છો. અને ચૂઝ કરીને જે તમારે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ એડ કરવું છે એ તમે ડાયરેક્ટલી સ્ટાર્ટ કરી શકો છો. જે કન્ટેન્ટ એડ કરવો છે એ તમે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી શકો છો. So creating a new document, file menu, click the file menu and select the new to create a blank document. Next one, templates. From a variety of pre-designed templates which are easily available, and you can also create resumes, letters, reports, etc. And just start typing. And next one, after you have completed the typing, I think you need to format it. Okay, formatting. So there are a variety of options available, variety of fonts are available, and how you want to align your document. For example, either you want to align for left, right, center, or justify, whatever you want to use. Spacing. So there is a two options available: line spacing and paragraph spacing. The difference, what will be the difference in the spacing? So there's that type of options are also available. Indentions are available, so it helps us to organize content and improves the readability. Now you can also add variety of objects, images, and tables, various shapes which are predefined in the word itself. Next one, there are also a option where you can add a table. In the table you can add desired number of rows and columns. You can also merge the cells, split the cells in the table. You can apply different types of table stylings, formatting, different colors, whatever you would like to do with the tables also. You can also break the columns into multiple sections also. So let's say you have now created a document and you want to review it. So there is another option available here, which is a spelling and grammar check. You can use built-in spell and grammar checker to identify and correct the errors. You can also use add-ins for the same. You can also track the changes. You can also check the documents where the changes are being made, and also add comments. Okay, you can also view comments, also give your feedback for the asked questions also. Next, after you have completed your document, you can save the document, you can share the document, or if you want to print and get a physical copy and just print the document, you can also export it to a PDF format, which is a portable document format file. Now we have multiple uses of the word. So let's start with the uses of the word. First one is the document creation. Writing and formatting the text documents such as letters, memos, reports. Inbuilt templates are available. You can also write your research articles using Word, variety of academic documents, notes, okay, essays, etc. You can also format and style your documents. For example, here they style given here, two different styles, three different systems which are given in the image is given here. You can use variety of different fonts, variety of sizes, colors, which gives us the document a visual appeal, and styles to the text. So using the styles and the themes ensure the consistent formatting throughout the document. You can also create a heading. You can also create a subheading of the document. You can also add the table of contents for the better organization. You can also add table of contents automatically. You can also list the number of figures and tables automatically. Okay. Next one, use of tables and lists. Okay. Here the given in the image here, you can see there are two numberings are also given, numbered formats below given here. It's of a bulleted formats. You can create multi-level list for the complex outlines and the structured contents that we will discuss during the next video. Next one, if you want to add pictures, you can add pictures. You want to add online videos, or you can just add if you want to add videos. If you want to add audio clips, you can also add. You can add if you want to add text boxes, you can also add. But please make sure if you are using the older version, these some of the options may not be available in that system. Okay, if you are using an older version of the word, let's say 2007, then it these options may not be available. Next one, now if you want to collaborate, okay, you want to collaborate, you can collaborate and also track the changes. Can add the comment, you can check the grammars, you can also merge the documents. Okay, next, templates and automation. Some of the by ready to use templates are available. Okay, you can use them and save your time. There are also macros available. Customized macros are also available. You can either create a macro if you know the programming also. Now there are some of the advanced features also. For example, if you are writing a thesis, or you are writing a research article, you can add citations. Okay, you can add bibliographies. Now if you want to mail same latest same content with the same content, let's say something like invitation you want to send, you can, there is option available here which is given mail merge option. You to list simply have to have a list in the Excel and just start the process. Just format a document and select the Excel file, and within a 2 3 seconds all the names will be automatically added in the invitation. Now if you want to add the formulas, or you want to edit formulas, or you want to add formulas, you can also add. Now if you have completed now creating a document, you can save the document, you can save as the document in the another format. Okay, you can print the document, or you can share the document with the other people present online, post to a blog, email. There are variety of options which are available. Okay, so let's start using Word. So next video will cover basics of how to create a document, just how to create a document, and we will start with the page setup function. Thank you for this video.